Okay, Diva Dolls, now I decided to bring y'all with me on date night video from start to finish. So as you can see, I picked up a couple of new goodies from Adore Me. This is not a sponsored video. I literally have been meaning to get new underwear. And to be honest, I used to only shop at Victoria's Secret or Walmart. So this is a good in between, not expensive. I'll put a coupon code that I use as well as size and details down below. But you gotta look sexy, y'all, because when you're going on date night, you know you're gonna end up in your underwear. You wanna make sure you're prepared and cute. And I know I'm not the only one who grandmama told them you always gotta have your matching underwear. So I'm just showing you my outfit here. I'll be sure to put the link to where I purchased everything, also the haul video in which I shared that. This is my makeup. I love this red Cybella lipstick. It is everything, and I just want to show you guys today I'm going to go with a really low maintenance, easy to do look because my boo loves me regardless, and I don't always have to get super dressed up. So this video is going to show y'all my basic as far as just foundation, a little bit of highlight and contour, and then of course my red lip and lashes. Now I have really fine eyebrows, so as you can see here, I'm just filling them in with my Beverly Hills of Anastasia dip brow. Next, I'm using an eyebrow pencil. I got this from a beauty supply store, but I also have an identical pencil from MAC in the color Spiked that I use to kind of just define my eyebrow shape. And then as you can see here, I'm using some concealer from MAC, and I am just outlining my eyebrows. Now y'all gotta remember, you don't want to go too light when you're doing this because it'll really pick up when you take pictures or depending on how the light hits you. As you can see, I also put a little on my blemishes, and I like to drag this concealer down under my eyebrows so that I can later blend it and it doesn't look like I just you know, framed my eyebrows all crazy, because I know y'all seen people like that who eyebrows are literally just outlined in a white or light color concealer. So my recommendation is to go maybe 2 shades up, and that's it. Now here I'm just using my beauty blender, and I am blending out everywhere that I use that concealer. And this is my secret, y'all, to dewy, beautiful finish. I like to spray in between steps. So I just sprayed my setting matte NYX spray, and then I put on my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'll put my color and everything down below. So I just put it on with a regular brush. I got the brush from Walmart. It's no name brand. It was really inexpensive, and now I'm just kind of blending it out to my hairline. And then this is me putting on some more concealer. This is more of a liquid type. I'll also link that. It's called Select Cover Up, and it's by MAC. So far, y'all, it's been pretty simple for the makeup. Just I was sure to prime my face, and I used some NYX serum on my face, which gives you a nice glow. And then I put on my foundation, then my liquid concealer, and then I sprayed again. And now I'm just using a little bit of that contour, which is my favorite palette, y'all, the Black Radiance contour palette. I have like 6 of them because they come in different shades. As you can see, I use it so much. But I contoured with the really dark color, and then that middle color I like to buff out with this Kabuki brush, and this brush is from Sonia Kashuk, which is right from Target. So a lot of the makeup I have is just MAC, or it's from beauty supply stores. You don't have to spend a lot to look like a lot, y'all. So I went ahead and set my makeup under my eyes and in my highlight area with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm using the Got To Be Glued hair gel, and I like to put it on with a makeup brush that I use for my hair only. And I just put a really thin layer here. I know y'all saw that braid hanging out before. That braid, y'all, my hair is just in straight back, so I just throw on this cap, and then I'm going to throw on my wig. while my it's not glue, but while my gel is drying, I am highlighting here all the areas that you see with my Beverly Hills of Anastasia glow kit. So it was like 40 bucks, which isn't bad because you get 4 really pigmented and big size highlighters, which I just adore. I use them all over my body. I like mixing them on my face, and it really gives you that pop and glow. So this is that red color I was telling y'all about. I love matte lipsticks. I just can't get over them, and I love that this consistency goes on very smooth. The color is very rich, and I just love, love, love that it is all natural. So I'm kind of going that way with my keto lifestyle and my green products in the house. So if you want to know more about all my makeup, again, click down below. I'll put the details there, and you have it. I'm wearing sneakers today. My boo hates when I wear sneakers, but oh well, she will get over it. And that is the finished look, y'all. Put the lashes on and I'm getting it. I'm going to head out to the movies, but this is my date night from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat at Chrissy the Doll. And that's it. You know the rest. Stay fabulous and stay fierce.